Hi everyone, Crystal here from A Crystal Clear Life. I just wanted to pop in quickly today to give you a quick tip. I'm here cleaning up the last of my December calendar, and I wanted to show you a quick tip that I use a lot. Now, when I'm on the go, I use my Apple Pencil and my iPad, and I do a lot of handwriting in my planner. But as you can see on the screen here, my handwriting is not always that neat, especially if I'm in the car or have cats on my lap or something like that. So I want to show you a way that I can fix that. OneNote has a wonderful feature that I love. It is called Ink to Text. Let me show you how it works. So here on my December calendar for week 5, you see here on the 28th and 29th, I have had some handwriting. And what I need to do to change that into text is I can go up here to my draw menu. And when I click on my draw menu, I can click my lasso tool and I can circle that handwritten text for Tuesday. And I'm trying to make sure that I do a good job and don't leave any letters out, which I have done in the past. Then I go back to my draw menu, and all the way down here at the end, it says Ink to Text. Now, watch what happens when I click that. It converts all of that text that I had handwritten into typewritten text. Now, I can simply go back to Draw, go to the Type feature, and I can edit that. I can play around with it. Let's see what I want to do here. I'll take out some of these spaces, move that over a little bit, and we will return there and add that like that. Okay? And it's that simple. So anytime that you have writing in your document that you want to change into text, simply lasso it, do Ink to Text, and it will convert it to text for you. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this quick tip Tuesday. Until next time. Okay, bye.